Hello everyone, this is Friday, working on Stark, this open source Stark operating system. Today is another surprise coding session, but first I found some copyright-free music from Bass Rebels. Apparently they need to be credited for their great songs. I guess we'll see. Gee, I sure wish there was an audience so I could ask if I can hear alright. That's okay. I know the microphone's pretty loud. And let me do a test on my phone. Let's see. Okay, at least it started. Test. Yeah, that's a big difference. Feedback. Sorry about that. Okay. So let's see if I can go and tell you about my project really quick. I got a database, CouchDB, running in the background. It's semi-bootstrapped right now. What I've done is I've manually created an admin user to have storage for this actual admin user. An admin I guess? The really serious admin, but it doesn't have its own database, so I had to create this. And then I had a setting couch per user that creates a database and manages databases actually, because it deletes them by user. And then I created a node. And then I rip a node user and the user. So I'm bootstrapping these users and nodes for my application, and then there's just users and their databases for my database system. So you can see here the root user, so that's an actual user, and then I plan on doing a database user for the node. And then what I did was I replicated this node database to this user database. So now we have the user config and the node configs in the root user database. But the node itself can log into its own database and push its info out to the user. So the pods are going to be managed by the core nodes, essentially watching out for changes on the user node and persisting it, like logging into the actual database for the node and persisting it centrally. So there are core services. The decentralization comes in because now you can hook up your node to multiple core servers. It should just work out of the box. That's the goal. That's the intention. So that you have your part of your computer kind of comes with you. Your computer resources comes with you no matter which core you're using. Which I guess, if I'm thinking this would be like an open access kind of system where, like, you sign up for your Gmail, you sign up for your OS, and if you want something more specific like Gmail, I have a few ideas. One of them is that video drone that is in our intro video. You can see it on our website. So it's right there, or you can look it up on YouTube. I forget now. I think I still need to set up Instagram. You can look it up on Facebook. Still need to set up Reddit. Like in a live kind of way. Sorry, I hadn't realized I hadn't done all my channels yet. DLive should have some recent videos. Periscope should have all of them. Twitter will have a nice list for you. And Twitch saves it for like half a week or something. I know how to run contests, so someday I will have contests. But the really cool surprise I wanted to tell you guys about is I want to write like a 4 or 5 season spin-off of Transformers. So like things will get renamed a little bit. It's gonna be far into the future, and it just contains some of my theories on kind of our outlook as a species, some of the potential like domino effects we're gonna see with the environment, how we're gonna solve those, how we're gonna monetize, leverage, how we're gonna leverage our solar system, the moon, Mars, and then like a universal kind of like a black hole. And like, I'm gonna give you my theories about what is possible inside a black hole, what I think is probable inside a black hole, given my limited knowledge as a sci-fi.
Let's look on the bright side. Got an aunt with some zany theories?
That's
her on the family video call.
Oh wow.
A hippie cousin that bring new age.
I love it when the advertisement lines up.
This year, to protect your family's health and safety, it's important you stay home and enjoy the peace and quiet.
Put your pants on, time to shovel the
Sorry about that. I should have been able to mute that.
Safe holidays. Let's keep our spirits up.
Message from the Gouvernement du Québec.
Hi, I'm PJ Vogt. And a while ago, I
Anyway.
found out friends online who'd gotten completely obsessed with this photo of a stranger. They started investigating every possible detail of this guy's
Let's
life.
see.
One of the details was the...
Okay, I remember to do that. Sorry about that.
in a dorm room, but it probably isn't mom's house. It's probably someone's college apartment.
It goes on for 10 years, and
Oh no, that didn't work.
died under mysterious circumstances. To find out what happens next, listen to Reply All episode 79, Boy in the Photo. Tap now to listen on Spotify.
Okay. So I basically run this virtual machine through Hyper-V, and then I just pour forward my database. And now I was in the middle of writing nodes and users, like I was saying, sorry. And, but not for database. I mean, using these database users and databases to implement nodes and users from my application. And what I realized is I need to do 2 things to really fix up some some future, like prepare for some future development is, first of all, I need another method called init, and I need like initialize my entities, which will happen in the core for the admin user, and on the edge for the other users, and nodes and pods and so on. And for tests, don't forget, because that will run probably on the server, usually, at least at first. So that will be like the one piece that really gets communicated across. I wanted to do something else. Oh, and I need to update the node config, node user in fact. Oh, okay. And I do it like this, so that I can make sure that my node database corresponds to some user. Like so. That's the unique. That's the unique user that comes in. So I can potentially group those. This music's not bad, you guys. Okay, so if I had a node config, do I need that? Yeah, I could definitely. Because this is by type. So the relational thing doesn't name it the same thing anyway. The relational library doesn't name it the same anyway. So if I name it something, yeah, I think I like that idea better. And then I'm gonna do this. There's that one. No, because my username is the same as my name. Is that right? My username is the same. Node config. Right. So I give it a name. And I get, okay. Okay. So that's the constraint right there that I needed.
I'm coming up just a little bit. Never want to quit. I'm feeling it the way it is. Vision is blurry.
Node user. Node user. Really? Oh, it's that. Oh, okay. So this is the node user and this is the username. Gotcha. So the node user. And users. Right. So what do I call my node? That's the node config. It's the same as my user. Okay. Right. Okay, bike shading complete. What else? Oh, and now is the admin. So I need an admin user that what? Okay. So I have users here. Okay. So then at the interface, I have an interface user that basically goes save. And or get one user. So we have the API is get one user, save one user, or add one user, get add, edit one user, and delete that same user. Okay, so we only care about single users on this API. At the interface. So if that same interface was to check for I would check for a duplicate error, so that to make sure that my admin database is set up. So like the bootstrapped interface. So I need to abstract this one user operation to a bootstrapped interface, which implies I gotta have my admin user, my admin database set up. And then I gotta listen for pods. I gotta have that service up before I can add the user. Yes? No? Why don't I like that? Seems overly related. I need to just make sure that the admin interface. Oh, because when I have pods, I need my admin to be able to deploy to those nodes. So I'm sorry for you security folks. I'd rather prefer not to do this, but I guess I get to get replicated all your deployments at the admin level, which isn't like they are admin. Otherwise, the feature folks would be like, "Hey, where's our feature?"
Try it today at adstudio.spotify.com or tap the banner to learn more.
The server admin gets to see what you're deploying so that no. Oh no, I don't need it because, as I said, you can just log into the node. So I might not do it through a database. I just do it through the server. Oh, but then I can't use the database's event architecture. I have to wait on changes through the server. So should I use the database for like make it a data application or make it a server application? And I think the answer is gonna be a server application to start with, even though it's gonna be spaghetti code. I don't know. I'm gonna think about that. For the next couple of minutes. See you in like 5. Like 12:30. You know, in 5 minutes. Let's see. I see your data. And I have a memory problem. Because I'm duplicating every... I'm duplicating every deployment just to be able to query them all at once. Let's see. Yeah, because I could do a view. Do a view and say for these documents if they change. Do something, so that would clean up my code if I did it through data. Which is the whole point. Man, security makes me so paranoid. And let's not forget the memory. The memory is going to be worse anyway with spaghetti code and just waiting. I guess it's all waiting for events anyway. Oh, but then instead of a database entity, I'm waiting for, I can't encapsulate that all. And then it's all kinds of things waiting in this queue and so it bootstraps the admin database, and then when it adds the user, when it adds the node, so okay, so for node I need not only pods, status, and I need configs. Oh no, I need enums, sorry. I need like a status, and then I need enums. And when I add a node, it goes unprovisioned, and then when my admin pods are running, then it's provisioned. Let's see. Enums in TypeScript are not as easy as I thought, but hopefully I can get it to work. Oh well. All right. Oh wow. Oh wow. I can't believe that's actually gonna work. Alright. Let's see. This is only core anyway. No, it's not. This is both. So I guess for now I'll just copy it over. It's not going to change too much. What is it? Unpro. Maybe like that. Okay.
Play games just to escape mistakes made in the past. If only I could change. And all the love you gave, it came and went so fast. And only left the pain. Now all I think about, just say that we can turn it round. I don't think I can go without. I don't think I can go.
Okay, so when I set up the routes, before I set up the routes, I do so with, not there. Right here. I do so with an interface. So that's what hooks up my my interface to my route, my bootstrapped interface. So I do like bootstrapping here, I guess. See how much of it goes in here. Probably be have to split up somewhere. Same with the edge. The edge just doesn't have any routes. Where's the hill? There's the hill.
What's up, Bessie? You want to
So
say
I
something?
require this thing.
That you aren't
The
allowed to be
said
given
script.
artificial growth hormones. And you're into dubstep. Dairy Farmers of Canada. High standards are behind the Blue Cow logo.
Interac asks, what kind of story do you want your gifts to tell? This
I know you were looking for a messenger
Oh.
bag for work, so I got
Is
you this
that
one.
even-
It's from a local designer. I saw it in
Is
her
there
window,
like
and
a-
right away I knew it would be perfect for you.
or this?
I couldn't think of anything, so I got you this tie. Oh, you wear
I
ties,
see.
right?
Give gifts that mean a million this holiday season. Shop local using Interact Debit.
Smartphones claim to have a pro-quality camera, but what's the benchmark they're chasing? And who are these pro photographers using a phone over a real camera? They're not on the sidelines of a major sports event or shooting a married couple's first kiss. It's your game during Canon's Level Up sales.
That's really weird.
Whether you're a pro, nature lover, vlogger,
Let's see.
or new...
There we go. I guess that is my best option. Sorry about that, guys. I'll get it someday. Alright. So let's see. Alright, I guess it's gonna be here. Something like that. And now I guess I'm gonna have to write the initializers for the objects that I care about. So it's a little bit different because here I have to talk about an argument, and in the Edge I have to talk about just the object of arguments, which I guess is passed as an object. So if I initialize this as like no argument, and then I go initialize it that argument object, and then on the Edge server I initialize the argument object, and then on the save I only send the argument object. Then I guess it kind of keeps things easiest. And then I put my server as the database. Because it's through, no, it's going to be my own API. So that works. Alright. I guess this is how that's gonna work. Oh, abstract. It's gonna be abstract because there's a node user and the user. Node user, and in fact the node user, there's no, oh, the node config is then different on the Edge, is much different on the Edge than the node config on the database. Node config. Let's see. Oh yeah, because, no. It's through the database. Not through the API, so the node config is through the database. There's no ad on it, for example. Okay. Okay, so I guess this is abstract. But is it protected? No, I don't think it is. What's a void in TypeScript? Huh. Something like that. No user. No user. No user. Because it is put these are config. Oh, it's loaded. In these arguments, I want to say, I do say, okay, so I'm going to use Postman to test my API. Oh yeah, so five chapters of the comics or podcasts that will later be turned into comics. 5 chapters. Oh no, 5 parts of 12 chapters each equals 600 pages to write for 30-minute 5 seasons of 30-minute shows with 12 episodes each season. So anyway, that's exciting because like I can just doodle while I'm not doing anything. Let's see. Oh yeah, node. Add nodes, right? So I'm gonna have a username. So given that I have a username, and then this is a UID.
Is your old fridge giving you cold sweats? Thanks to Economax, you can get a new stainless steel Hisense fridge with a freezer drawer for just $7.49. Crown the year beautifully at the lowest price guaranteed. Economax, furniture at warehouse prices.
Votre vieux frigo vous donne des sueurs froides? Grâce à Economax, profitez d'un réfrigérateur en acier inoxydable Hisense avec congélateur tiroir pour seulement $749. Couronnez l'année en beauté au plus bas prix garanti. Economax, des meubles à prix d'entrepôt.
Is your old fridge giving you cold sweats? Thanks to Economax, you can get a new stainless steel Hisense fridge with a freezer drawer for just $7.49. Crown the year beautifully at the lowest price guaranteed. Economax, furniture at warehouse prices.
Votre vieux frigo vous donne des sueurs froides? Grâce à Economax, profitez d'un réfrigérateur en acier inoxydable Hisense avec congélateur tiroir pour seulement $749. Couronnez l'année en beauté au plus bas prix garanti. Economax, des meubles à prix d'entrepôt.
Find new experiences together in the Chevrolet Equinox. Find all-wheel drive, a 5-star overall vehicle score for safety, and Chevrolet Active Safety Technologies. The Chevrolet Equinox. Find new roads.
Cool. I didn't see that. Okay.
I see the violence in your eyes and it's a silent fighting. I see the lies in their mind and you can't decide cause they only blinding. Go away and go from the bad guys, follow my advice cause they're gonna be biting you. They're gonna kill if you let them through. Go, mommy, go now. I really don't want to see you cry. Mommy, go now. I really wanna brutalize, let him agonize, cause it's gonna be biting you. They're gonna kill if you let them through. Go, mommy, go now. I really don't want to see you cry. Mommy, go now. I really wanna brutalize, let him agonize, cause it's gonna be biting you. Violence in your eyes and it's a silent fighting. I see the lies in their mind and you can't decide cause they only blinding. Go away and go from the bad guys, cause they're gonna be biting you. They're gonna kill if you let them through. Go, mommy, go now. I really don't want to see you cry. Mommy, go now. I really
Actually, why not?
cause it's gonna be biting you. They're gonna kill if you let them through. Go, mommy, go now. I really don't want to see you cry. Mommy, go now. I really wanna brutalize.
Might as well.
Agonize, cause it's gonna be biting you. They're gonna kill if you let them through.
And no. Looks good. Okay. So I suppose I got my node user set up with the username and password. This is going to be ported over to the edge somehow. One day. So now that I have these users, I guess I can do I can create an admin user, and that will have a different model. As well. Some more bike shedding. What else? I wonder if this will run anywhere. Nope. Okay. Something like that. And now I have to be mindful of this. And this will run. This will run for any user. So they can initialize it on the client or on the core, on the edge, on the client, on the edge, on the core, and it all runs the same logic as this route. So I really need an interface user. An interface user. So this is the nodes actually. Wrong route. Hold on. Just gonna close everything. Maybe I'll leave the admin user on. I can pin these. Admin user here. What? This is such a good song. Okay. Do I create
so juicy.
any new config? No. I just need to initialize the users, but not the nodes. So I guess for now I can just throw. Because otherwise I feel bad. To give it some so I know it creates a hex, so I can generate it at some point. I'm just not gonna worry about it for now.
Incredibly juicy.
Not implemented. What the heck did I get wrong? Oh, wrong place. Alright. So
If there was a way to capture this time, I could show you pictures of the light inside my mind. If I could hold the magic, the one I don't wanna lose, I could say I'm sorry for for all of my abuse. And I could stand and I could believe, and I could breathe clear, 'cause now I believe.
Okay. So anyway. I have users.
If I could send a wire to reach you out there, I could tell you secrets we never got to share. If I could pull the letters and words from this page.
Okay, so I have users that basically go through this. So if I have an admin user, I need something else. Did I copy the wrong user? This is a user config. So I need a
Interac asks,
admin
what kind of
config.
story do you want your gifts to tell? This
I know you were looking for a messenger bag for work, so I got you this one. It's from a local designer. I saw it in her window, and right away I knew it would be perfect for you.
or this?
I couldn't think of anything, so I got you this tie. Oh, you wear ties, right?
Give gifts that
So-
mean $1 million this holiday season. Shop local using Interac Debit.
This parameter so the admin user can encapsulate a user and a user config at the same time. Because I want to have everything available. And then I just add that admin user as, oh, I see, but then it has these methods. Hold on. Like this. And then, so on the edge, I think I'm better off putting that one on the edge. The edge user kind of has the same issue where it has to encapsulate both the user and the user config. So it makes sense to talk about it as an edge. So if I have, that's what I would be copying from. And the user config kind of gives me that model in addition to. So the admin user is kind of a union between a user and a user config. And it will serve as the template for the Edge user as well. So I might as well copy these. Pass. Email. Oh, I see. And then email is the only thing, which is kind of the issue I started out with. There's my email validation. That's pretty cool, actually, because I can give that email from my config if I can find them. I think that should work. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Okay. So maybe I can do... No. So then I can do an interface somewhere. with all that, and my save is calling that interface. So user, come on. Okay, so my user goes, no, it's not talking to the database anymore. It overwrites and talks directly to this interface that it's talking about. And then when it's wrapped, it makes sure that it contains a user. And this is an instance. So every instance of this route, tries to add that user, that admin user. So this is the inner interface. So the outer interface, the inner interface, and the route is what we're talking about. And here the router is connected directly to the inner interface. So, I mean, my object model is kind of rich in function. I have the database in there. So now I guess I could call it data store. And there's an inner interface, which is this one, on user, and then the outer one is the survey. So just like this state, my object model has that admin user as a state. Has that object model as a state. Okay. So it's not even a data store. Okay, service. It even fits better. What is that icon? Okay, so I'm gonna take a break for 5-10 minutes and grab some sustenance.
In the fight against COVID-19, we must all continue to respect public health guidelines and follow self-isolation instructions. Self-isolate if you have symptoms. Self-isolate after testing. Self-isolate if the test is positive. Self-isolate when you return from a trip. and self-isolate when you've been in contact with someone who's tested positive. Self-isolation is important. Please, take it seriously. Learn more at quebec.ca/self-isolating. A message from the Gouvernement du Québec.
Interac asks, what kind of story do you want your gifts to tell? This...
I know you were looking for a messenger bag for work, so I got you this one. It's from a local designer. I saw it in her window, and right away I knew it would be perfect for you.
Or this.
I couldn't think of anything, so I got you this tie. Oh, you wear ties, right?
Give gifts that mean $1 million this holiday season. Shop local using Interac Debit.
It's so easy to love you. Anything can happen. It could be more than a night. I just saw you and don't believe it. When you smile, my heart just freezes. You're so perfect, and I mean it. It's so easy to love you, easy to love you, easy to love you, easy to love you. It's so easy to love you.
Okay, great. So I have the service, I have state. I create an instance of it. And with every request to that service, it checks the state, and then if it's bootstrapped, then it runs this code. I suppose there could be an edge service as well, which basically listens to the node's config changes and manages pods or does something with the pod service. Like if I decommission a node, or I want to delete a node, it does a bunch of communicating with the database. Or even if I want to just edit it or something, like editing a node. And I should be able to port that to the browser. So I'm gonna call this core as a precaution. Oh wow. Okay. I guess that's the shortcut icon. It's interesting. So I'm gonna call this user. Let's see.
Hey, Wendy here from Science Versus. For months, we've been covering this pandemic every step of the way. Talked to Dr. Anthony Fauci about how political this has all gotten.
Oh yeah, well I make both sides angry every day, Wendy, so don't worry about that.
And we've asked, can we really get our vaccine come New Year?
I mean, we need everything to happen perfectly.
You cannot make it go so fast that you make a mistake.
Tap now to listen on Spotify. Back to soon.
So I guess I can do it in the same class. And I can say this is a private. So this is I don't even know. Add? And then I have add. Oh, they can play. No. Okay. And I have admin user, initialize to null. Actually, if so this is the service. And actually, I'll do it in the constructor. So I don't need this. Alright. Except the constructor contains an async, because it's gonna add that that same user. It's gonna use the same user, except it's gonna no. It's not gonna work. No. I need an async initialization method. Okay. And that bootstraps my service. Oh. So I can get rid of that code. Great. Oh wait. Let's see. User service? No, it's just user because there's no other users. Okay. Someday, I'll move that comment over. Okay. So that's what is going on here. Okay, so then here I go. No admin user. What's it called then? Fun. DB What's the... Oh, that doesn't even have to initialize a database. That's hilarious. Hopefully it also works. And then... I go admin user.init, and then I go this dot add .org. From user. Oh, so I could test it too if I really needed it. Okay, and then if the error is that
DoorDash is like having every neighborhood in your hands, with all your
If-
faves right at your fingertips. You get a $0 delivery fee on your first order. DoorDash, delicious, delivered. Minimum order of $10. Terms apply.
Can you not let me use my mouse? I guess as long as I don't hover over that. Okay. What properties of errors? I guess I'm gonna have to try it. Oh. Okay. Dot message. Message. Let's see. Name, message. Alright, I'm gonna go with description on this one. Okay. Is that oh, I can rethrow in this language. So great. And now I need to go to status. Okay. So now I have the service user and it bootstraps. The admin user. So what I'm gonna do is I guess I'm gonna try and use this now. And see if everything runs. Like if it throws the errors and it bootstraps. And I guess after that I have to do the same with nodes. What do I need to initialize for node? If the user changes something on their database, then when I generate a node user, I need to expire those somehow. Alright, well for now, I suppose I could just go and build it. And actually, make sure I cache this there before I delete all this. Oh, and that's another thing that should have popped up to me when I was thinking about the database is how do I reset them? Because once I did my setup, like in the server, then I need to reevaluate all the existing nodes and then enumerate them, and then I'd have to get, like, what's it called? I have to pull everything. if I just keep it in the admin database, it's all synchronized. I don't have to pull. So I guess that makes that clear. Okay. So let's see. Add something. Not this one. I have to rerun it now. Come on, compiler. Is that a protected word or something? Oh, cool. Another thing I wanted to know. Before it compiles. My guess would be that my password's gonna fail or something. Wow. What is it? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for some reason this is giving me 3. Oh. Some reason. Okay. Name conflict. So.
Parce que les fêtes vont être simples, qu'elles seront pas magiques. Et chez Métro, ce qui est magique, c'est qu'avec leur variété de plateaux tout frais pour 4 à 6 personnes et le fameux bus première façon, il te reste juste à mettre à table et savourer. Métro.
Let's do it more. Like what I would want. Okay. Oh, dang, no. Come on. I don't even have that. Go away. To get the toe 201 last time, I suppose. Okay, I guess we're crashing. So glad we had that chat. Let's see. Oh, okay. Good. That's what I thought.
I'ma take you home, we'll have fun all night. I don't know how you did it, but I need an explanation. Guess I can't get over the day we met. I gotta see you again. Every detail is getting replayed into my imagination. From the clothes you
So now I'm just gonna send conflict from in there, but anyway. No. Oh. The problem is... Oh, there's no problem, because it's not a constructor. So... I look at this API. I should technically get an air object this time. Not like the constructed. Right. Air response. So that's in user, right? No. That's in user. Oh. Huh. Mm-hmm. So the promise. Okay. So if I do like this, and I do do dot reject resolution.
$100 of Mazda.
Sure.
100 years of challenging the status
Now
quo.
we'll explain.
100 years of growing and evolving. 100 years of changing and improving. And one thing that's remained the same all along? You. From 0 to 100, everything that drives you drives us forward. Mazda. Built by us, inspired by you. Join the Mazda 100th anniversary celebration. Click to learn more.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see if this doesn't help. Maybe not. I guess I'd rather just stay and be on the safe side. Yes. That's so cool. Wait. He's trying to see it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the whole thing, the whole setup one time, just to verify that it's working correctly. It's too bad that Constructor wouldn't give me a error or a callback. I would have liked to do that same technique too. Alright, I'm gonna delete everything from the database. And make sure it is Baby's bootstrapped. Alright. Okay. And the admin. That's kind of weird. When did I add that? Okay, so everything is done. I'm going to send this request. Damn. Why user.js? Why is user.js even a problem right now? No, still in the distribution. No. Okay. So what's likely happening? Alphanumeric string. That's another. No, that's the admin, right? So what's likely happening is I need to think about my password requirements as I was thinking before. User, no user, and admin user. Alright. Let's try this again. There's nothing here, right? Cool.
Come a little closer, gotta tell you something before we go. Baby, thought you know we'll take it real slow. I'm in love. Bésame, pégate, quiéreme.
Alright, so I send this.
Cause I can do this all night. Y te gusta así, así, así. Seguita de mí. Baby, I know you like it like that. Move it to the left, move it to the right. Girl, I know you want it so bad. Move it to the left, move it to the right. In love, bésame, pégate. Quiero más. Baila, baby, baila. Vamos a derecha y izquierda. Girl, I love the way you move it round. I'm burning up when you come around. Come a little closer, think I see what you mean within your eyes. Wanna let you know before you realize. Baby, yo te miro que la cabeza.
Now that's weird. Let's try it again.
Quiero más, 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 más.
Oh. Somehow my confidence is upset.
Be proud of what you make in the kitchen. Whether you're a first-time
Something like that?
or an experienced home chef, the Ninja lineup of 5-star cooking appliances are your trusted partner in the kitchen to help improve and simplify your kitchen life. Click or tap the banner to enjoy the
That's
Ninja
weird.
Cooking playlist and have fun conquering the kitchen. Ninja, be proud of what you make.
The Acura Season of Performance event is on now. Stay bold in the cold and receive a limited time rate reduction of up to 1% on select 2021 Acura models. Conditions apply. Visit Acura.ca for details.
We can
I'm thinking maybe that's what happened. Maybe I never closed it. Did my config fail, but fail to throw? Because that would be annoying. Fingers crossed. Two users, good. Okay, so now if I run this and pretend I'm a different server, and I'm trying to add a different user, that would also get added. That wasn't 3 seconds. What the heck is going on? Okay. So I guess tomorrow we're gonna do the same thing for nodes. And we're gonna see if maybe nodes. Let's see. Oh yes, replicate the user databases. Before we do the nodes, I'm gonna do the user databases. Replicate them to the admin database. Okay, so everything's sort of falling into place. I want to check these errors now. I'm gonna have to do that too. So, where? Like here. Maybe I have users save, but I don't have the load. No, because the database, you can't do that. Database is the only one. I suppose I should put this move into database. And this one I should do air handling. Because user config. Save. Let's see. Oh, maybe not. So yeah, this should work. The relational one should be fine. So it's only the authentication library that doesn't really work like that. So if it throws... Oh, I see. But if it throws and is not handled, then oh, it even has the thing. So, wait. Load. Right. So it throws because it doesn't find anything, and it throws the index. Or it tries to save, and the saving failed, and my whole server blows up. I have to throw and debug those. Perhaps I can do this privately. Validate the DB version. Let's see. It's not async, so that's good. So if I go to the nodes, yeah, so maybe I can do those privately. Okay, so I guess I bootstrapped the user service today. Tomorrow it will be these cleanups and the node service. And if I can get those done, then I can start thinking about pods.
Everything to happen perfectly.
You cannot make it go so fast.
And status.
Tap now to listen on Spotify.
And such services that are required to keep the pods. Oh yes, don't forget to replicate. Replicate to okay, work's cut out for tomorrow. Should be lots. I'm not worried that we're gonna run out of time. That's it for today. Have a good one, and I'm looking forward to writing some science fiction between all this hard code.